Is this thing on? Are we live?
Hello everybody, today I want to do a quick unboxing of a product that's just been delivered today. Quite excited about it. It's the Edifier M60 bookshelf speakers. Well, I think they're kind of desk speakers, and I've got them here anyway. It's quite a big box. It's quite a big box. I don't think it's going to fit in my desk. Okay, let's get the unboxing. I don't know if I'm going to get this on the shot. I can't even see. What am I looking at? What am I looking at? Honestly, I can't see anything. Right, it's in here. Okay, this isn't going to work at all. Right. Jeez. Oh. Whew. Here we go. Right, here we go. That's what they look like there. Pretty smart, aren't they? Got them white. You can also get them in black. I think you can get them in a kind of brownie kind of colour, kind of walnut colour. These are, right, M60. They've got high-res audio and high-res audio. They've got LDAC as well. I think these are more like speakers you might have on your desk, you know, for your computer or whatnot. Right, so it's got 66 watts of total output power, Bluetooth 5.3. It's also got USB and aux inputs. It's got touch control, and the dimensions are 100 by 168 by 147 millimeters. I'll show you that a little bit later. And it's got an app. Obviously, it's got an app. I'm not set up for this at all. I need a bigger boat, bigger desk. So this video will just be a kind of unboxing, general look at the speakers, and then what I'll do is I'll use them for a wee while and then do a follow-up video on what they're like. I always like unboxing videos. Right, okay, here we go. Take off this. What have we got in here? We've got a box that says accessories. Smashing. I've got a funny feeling we might have accessories in here. It's just a hunch. Right, so we have got 3.5 millimeter to auxiliary cable. Is that right, isn't it? Then we get 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter TRS. Or is that TRRS? It's one with the two prongs anyway. Oh, we've got one of these cables. I don't actually know what this cable is. Is that not a DIN cable? DIN cable? And then we've got a USB-C to USB-C. And guess what? We've got a figure 8 power cable. There we go. I hope I got all that in the camera shot, because if not, I'm the world's worst. And we've got some documentation. Why are these, why do we have to have these? Is it some law or something? Does anyone ever look at it? So now we've got the instructions. It tells you how to put it all together. So far so good. I love unboxing tech, I really do. I never tire of it. Ooh, look at this. Yes, we have speaker stands. Ugh. Right, and that is it. Thank goodness, because we really had no room at all. What does this look like, this angle? Yeah, that's not bad. Right, okay. So we can put that here. There we go. No, switch to this one. Okay, so before we actually look at the speakers, I think these are the speaker stands. Okay, so we've got some aluminium speaker stands, got some rubber at the bottom here, and they'd go on your desk like that. Fun enough, we've got two of them. These are two speakers. Okay, let's get the speakers out here. Oh wow, oh yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Yeah, that's cool. That is very, very nice. Lovely in white. This is a weird, I don't know how to describe it. I really don't know, it's a kind of plastic coating, but it's a kind of matte finish. It's an interesting look. Okay, in the bottom, okay, we've got some rubber feet. Need to have one cable into there, so that'll join them up together. Let's see how much we've got here. Okay, we've got about 2 meters. We've got USB-C in, we've got the speaker out that joins onto this speaker. You get a power cable and auxiliary in. So we've got auxiliary in and USB-C in. And then there's also touch controls up the top. I can feel a little bit of an indent there. You see, can you just see it there in the light there? Just there. So there's a light indent there. So I'm assuming they are going to light up. So let's put them on the stand. Okay, here we are. As I say, ignore my, oh, geez, like table management. Oh, Okay, just ignore that cable management. Please ignore it, please. So there you go. That's what it's kind of gonna look like. I like the size of them. That's a really, really nice size. So what we'll do is I'm going to place them in where I'm going to have them. Right, so there we go. They're going to look pretty good. Obviously, that's not exactly what I'm going to do with them. I will need to move this on because this is what I'm currently using as a speaker. But yeah, there we go. Fantastic. Okay. Right, there we go. I'm going to wrap that up now. So what I'll do is I might do another little bit of B-roll when I've got them switched on, and we'll get them so you can have a look at them. But yeah, look forward to the full review, which will be coming soon. I'm going to use them for 2 or 3 weeks now and do a follow-up video. But yeah, I really like the look of them. Really do. It's yeah, cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Thank you. Appreciate it.